Hi, welcome to Vidya Vikasam, your guide to personal growth and career success. Explore knowledge and opportunities designed to empower you. Subscribe now to begin your journey of learning and transformation. Together, let's achieve Vidya Vikasam.
Hi everyone. Starting a new job or internship is very exciting but also overwhelming. What you do in the first 90 days sets the tone for your growth, visibility, and long term success. In this episode, we are diving into what smart professionals do differently during these initial days and how you can impress, adapt, and thrive. Let's get started. The 90-day rule, why it matters. 90 days refers to the first impression window. Managers form opinions early. Habits, visibility, and learning curve established. The first 90 days are like your trial period. Your learning, attitude, and adaptability are all being watched. This is where reputations are built. For example, think of it like the first few classes of a new course. If you are attentive, consistent, and responsive, teachers and peers take notice. Phase 1, first 30 days. Observe and learn. Understand company culture and people. Listen more, speak less. Ask relevant questions. Your priority here is not to show off what you know, but to understand how this organization works from processes to politics. Let me narrate with an activity. It's an observation challenge. List down three things you would observe in their first week of joining a marketing or finance or HR department. Phase 2, day 31 to 60. Contribute and connect. Start delivering on small tasks. Volunteer for team projects. Build relationships with cross functional teams. Now that you understand the system, it's time to earn trust by contributing. Start small but stay consistent. Let us understand this with a case study. A new joiner in a logistics company volunteered to streamline the order tracking system. Result, saved 2 hours daily for the team. This wasn't expected, but it stood out. Phase 3, day 61 to 90. Take ownership. Deliver visible results. Be proactive. Reflect and refine. This is where you establish your brand in the workplace. Show that you are not just learning, but you are also leading in your own way. Let me narrate with an example. Suggesting a tool or redesigning a report format that improves workflow can make you memorable. What are the common mistakes you need to avoid? Being too silent or too aggressive, ignoring soft skills, trying to impress without substance. Avoid extremes. Don't be invisible. Don't be a know it all. Instead, focus on being valuable. Building relationships at work. Know your team's names and roles. Understand communication preferences. Practice active listening. Let me narrate this with an activity. A role play. Pair students. One plays the new joiner, the other a senior colleague. Practice a conversation where the new joiner tries to learn how a team process works. Feedback is your friend. Ask for feedback early and regularly. Accept criticism with maturity. Show progress. Feedback is a growth tool, not a report card. Managers love to see people who take feedback and act on it quickly. Build your personal brand early. Be reliable, be professional, be consistent. Even in an internship, your attitude becomes your identity. Let yours say, I am serious, adaptable, and here to grow. Here, let me narrate two success stories. One, an MBA student interned at a retail firm and regularly updated her supervisor with progress reports, earning trust and a pre-placement offer. Second, a marketing intern created a competitor tracking dashboard using Excel macros. It saved time and was adopted company wide. Let me wrap up with the key takeaways from this episode. First 90 days results in building reputation. Observe, contribute, own. Stay consistent, curious, and coachable. Let us delve into the next episode that is coming up. Ever wondered who reports to whom in a company? Why some people make decisions and others execute them? In this episode, we break down the organizational hierarchy from top management to entry level roles and how understanding it helps you to communicate better, know where you fit in, work smart, and earn visibility, avoid workplace missteps. Whether you are preparing for an internship or starting your first job, this episode is your essential guide to navigating the corporate structure with confidence. Watch, learn, and level up your career awareness. The first 90 days are not just about surviving, they are about standing out. You don't need to know everything, but if you are consistent, proactive, and open to learning, you will earn respect that lasts for beyond those 3 months. Thanks for watching. Follow Vidya Vikasam for more career smart content. See you in the next episode. You may explore my book, which is readily available in Amazon. The link and the QR code is displayed here. Thank you.